Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up to your Squarespace website using ConvertKit. If you're new here, my name is Louise of solopreneurs.sidekick.com and I put out new videos every Tuesday and Thursday to help you grow your online business. Alright, let's get started. So this one has been much requested and I actually did this for 2 clients this week as well. So the first thing that you're going to do is go into ConvertKit. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says Create Form. And then you're going to select Form. And here you have 3 different styles that you can choose from. I'm just going to keep it simple and select this one here. Awesome. So here is where we can adjust the look of our form. But first, make sure that you name it. So I'm just going to go up here, click on the little pencil, and type in Site Popup. Okay, and then to change this text here, you're just going to double-click, delete that, and type in whatever you want. I'm going to say something like, get your free guide. You're going to generally want to give something away in exchange for an email address. This is going to be much more effective than just asking people to join your list. So I'm going to say that, and then on the second line, I would describe my guide a bit more. For example, okay. Then it's going to collect their email address, and if you want to say something other than subscribe, you can just double click on that as well, delete that, and put something more exciting, like that. And to get rid of this line, I don't like having this we won't spam you message. You can keep that if you'd like, or you can just highlight it, delete it, and make sure to hit the space bar 2 times. Okay, so then if you go up here, you'll see this little wand icon. Click on that, and here is where you would add in your brand colors. So let's say your brand was nice and pink. Okay, I'm going to change it to that. As you can see, that's changed the outside color, and you can change the button color as well. Okay, awesome. So click Save. And then you're going to click on Settings. Okay, so then you're going to click Incentive Email, and if you'd like, this is how you can deliver your freebie. So it's automatically going to send out an email, and rather than having people click confirm your subscription, you could just change this to download now, and then go down here, click incentive download, and upload that file. So that's pretty awesome. And then you're going to go into style, and here you're going to change this to modal. Okay, and then some more customization options will appear. I like to just choose timing, but there's a few things that you can do. So you can display when ConvertKit thinks that someone is going to leave your website, or you can do it by scroll percentage. So if someone's scrolling down your site, they're going to reach a certain point and then the pop-up will come up. Or you can do timing, which is what I'm going to do in this example, but I'm going to change this to 15 seconds. Okay, and then you can decide if you want it to show on all devices, so if you want it to show on mobile as well, and what happens after a visitor has already seen it. So you can choose that after they've seen it, they won't see it again for 15 days. If you want them to always see it, just change that to 0. And if you wanted to customize the look even further, you could do so with some custom code here. And then down here, this is a feature that I really like. So what they do is if someone has subscribed to your pop-up, you can hide the form, so a returning visitor won't see it. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. I'm going to click Save Form. And one thing you're also going to want to fill out is your success message. So that's just what the form is going to say after someone gives you their email. So make sure to update that. So for example, now check your email for your download. Now to add it to your site, we're going to click Embed. And we're just going to copy this short line of code right here. So I'm going to copy that. Now I'm going to go into my Squarespace site and I'm going to click Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down to where it says Advanced. Click on that. And then I'm going to click Code Injection. And you'll see this header area. For you, it will probably be blank, but I have a few different things in there. So all I'm going to do is go to my next line and click Paste. All right, save. Let's go back. And now let's go to my actual domain to give it a try. So putting it in that area means that it will show up on your site no matter what page people are on. Okay, so I've landed on my site. Now I'm going to wait because we did change it to 15 seconds. You'll actually see that this is going to change soon because I'm doing some updates. All right, so there we go. As you can see, it's brought in this really nice pop-up, and all I would need to do is add in my email and subscribe, and there's that success message that we talked about. Okay, so that's one way to do it. If you didn't want it appearing on all pages of your site, then you would do it differently in Squarespace rather than putting it under this code injection area. And don't worry about this powered by ConvertKit, you can easily get rid of that. So let's say that now I only wanted it on my About page. So in Squarespace, I would click Pages, and then I would go to my About page. And then I would click on the gear icon next to it, and then go over to Advanced and paste that code in here instead. That's just my form code. I'm going to paste it in there, and now it's only going to appear on my About page. I'm going to click Save. So I'm not going to leave anything out, so now I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by ConvertKit. And this is just a little line of code, and I will leave it for you in the description below. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to highlight that, click Copy, go back into my ConvertKit form, click on Style, and then scroll down to where it says Custom CSS. I'm just going to paste that in and click Save. So that's it. That's all that you have to do, and it's going to remove the Powered by ConvertKit. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all about this, and I'll get back to you there. So that's it for this video. I hope that you learned a lot. If you're just getting started with Squarespace, I have an awesome free guide, which I will leave a link to in the comments below. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.